Nag-iisa lang po ba ito na electric jeep sa Cavite?
Ito pa lang. Isa pa lang. Paunahan lang ito.
Welcome to Project Autop, One Town, One Product, where we introduce and give deep appreciation to one of the wonderful produce of our local communities. The main destination for today is one of the most known local automotive manufacturers in Imus, Cavite, the Milwaukee Motors. Milwaukee Motors, with its name originating from the owner's love for the professional basketball team Milwaukee Bucks, was established in the late 90s and still operates until now. However, they have noted the recent weakening of the manufacturing business due to the rise and recent issue of Jeepney modernization.
And si Ma'am Donna po yung kanyang secretary. Secretary. And she is here po para i-assist po yung bawat isa po sa atin sa kanila pong machine workshop po. Ma'am, bakit po Milwaukee yung napili na name ng ating
sa basketball.
Okay, yung Milwaukee.
Si Boss.
Sino po nakaisip nun?
Si Boss.
Dahil ang favorite niya po ang Milwaukee Bucks po.
Ilang years na po ang Milwaukee, ma'am?
Almost 30. Ipapalis niya tong bumper, yung labi ng bumper. Nabangga kasi yan, kaya pinapalitan ng may-ari. Nagbabayan sila ng sasakyan.
Okay po.
Ayun, meron ako doon isang binibenta yung labi. More 350.
Milwaukee Motors also offers repairs in different designs and models of jeepneys and other automobiles. The jeepneys being made here were destined for different routes as well and not confined to one. Going into the workshop, the workers generously allow some of the Brightways Academy students to experience welding some part of the unfinished products with the guidance of one of the expert members.
Ako matakot. Dali lang, di ba?
It takes approximately 4 months for the completion of a standard automobile. With some of the finished products, the students were able to experience a short ride in the one and only electric owner-type Jeep in Cavite. Its engines were quiet and smooth. Its body, short and designed for limited passengers only. It has a capacity of 100 kilometers and can be charged for at least 3 hours. Interestingly, its design is similar to a traditional vehicle that uses gas. However, its usage of electric batteries makes it unique and one of a kind.
Ang tunay na hari ng kalsada.
Ay, di ba?
Balik na po kayo agad doon. Yan lang daw po.
Nag-iisa lang po ba ito na electric jeep sa Cavite?
Ito pa lang. Isa pa lang.
Narinig niyo yan, ha? One and only. Oh, buti nakasakay kayo.
Paunahan lang ito.
Grabe, tahimik. Ano to, sir? May cambio pa rin to?
Wala. Parang ano lang siya, yung tawag ito, yung
Talagang apak lang, silinyador
apak
lang.
Parang ding e-bike din.
Another one of the products is an electric tricycle, a model that is quite popular among the masses right now. Miss Donna of Milwaukee Motors also showed a glimpse of the blueprint of a new order.
May basketball ring sa harap, meron sa likod, meron pambata.
Akala ko po sa loob. Sa labas ko pala.
Tapos may sound system yun.
Wow! Ito po yung pinaka, ano po. Ang nag-design po nito, ma'am, ay...
Yung customer namin.
Talaga nakapagpa-customize pala talaga. Kahit anong design pwede
Kahit
po.
anong design.
The design was made by the customer as Milwaukee Motors allows customization of orders and takes on any design that the customer wants.
Parang mayroon din dito sabi ni Bossing.
Kailan po kaya, sir, mabubuo po?
Siguro mga 3 buwan, baka nakaporma na yan.
Another part of the process is the art design. One of the longtime expert of Milwaukee Motors, Mr. Ricky, is in charge of the sticker art designs on the side of the jeepneys.
Sir, ano daw pong klaseng sticker daw po yan?
Nickelite reflectorized.
This was done manually by hand and takes about 5 days and more depending on the complexity of the design using a reflectorized sticker. His hand was steady and his quick precision showed decades of expertise.
Galing.
Nga po kasi mo.
Pura pa.
G. W.
Maganda.
Maganda po. It's very pretty. And I think talented po siya at the age of 51.
Milwaukee Motors have a long history with traditional jeepneys. Like Mr. Danny, who used to work as the secretary of Milwaukee Motors and now one of the support systems in the company, feels the effect of the jeepney modernization and phase-out of traditional jeepneys.
Ano po yung masasabi niyo po about po sa pag-phase out po ng mga traditional jeepneys?
Wala na tayo magagawa dyan eh. Yun ang gusto ng gobyerno eh. Pero tuloy pa rin naman. Ayan, may nagpapagawa pa rin.
Continuous pa rin po yung paggawa niyo po ng jeepneys although na-phase out na po yung traditional. Pero ano po yung ginagawa po ninyong hakbang para po masundan po yung order po ng atin pong government?
Kumbaga sa customer naman kasi nasa customer naman yan eh. Yung iba naman kasi hindi naman sa Maynila. Dito naman sa atin sa mga probinsya, open naman ang jeep eh. Sa Maynila lang naman ang mga phase out na yun.
Similar to the state of Milwaukee Motors, which was originally located in Imus, Cavite as well, but is now in Salitran, Dasmariñas City, another automobile manufacturer continues its operations, the Mexicano Motors.
Ako nga pala si James Reyes. Ako yung may-ari ng talyer dito sa Mexicano. Ito ang nagustuhan kong trabaho. Kaya naging ganito trabaho.
Mahilig po kayo sa kotse po, ibig sabihin?
Hindi naman. Kasi nga nagdadrive ako nung araw. Parang dito ako dinala para maghanap buhay.
Mexicano Motors started around 1990 by Mr. James, who was once a jeepney driver. It's almost natural for him to transition into an owner of an automobile manufacturing company. His skills were purely through hard-earned experience and proved to be crucial in the success of his business.
Sir, ito pong po na to, na-assemble po, ilang araw po ito or ilang month pa po?
Hindi ka, pa lang ito? 1 month pa lang.
1 month pa lang po.
Ginagawa.
Okay po. So, gano'n po kaya katagal para makabuo po ng isang jeep?
Mga 3 buwan.
3 buwan. Okay po.
Mr. James showed some of the parts of the Jeep such as the body, its braces for support, and demonstrated the proper use of the metal sheet bender used for the parts of the Jeep.
Ang ganda, malinis.
Dito ang pagtaas dito sa kamay. Tutulungan kita.
It requires a lot of arm strength, proving that this business has high physical demands.
Ilan na kuya nabenta niyong jeep simula na nagbukas kayo?
Madami na
Mga estimate lang.
Hindi ko masabi yung marami na.
May 100 lagpas na.
Ang body, meron na siguro. Kasi matagal na ako nagawa.
Pero sir, in line po ba yan sa naging, ano niyo po, pag-aaral niyo po? Nag-aral po ba talaga kayo ng automotive? Hindi po. Paano niyo po siya
Experience
natutunan?
lang. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako dito ginagawa.
Sino nagturo po sa inyo?
Sorry, ako lang. Siguro. Hindi ako nagtrabaho sa talyer. Hindi. Basta automatic. Talyer na ako.
One of the longtime assemblers of Mexicano motors, Mr. Alan, who has been with Mr. James since the start of the business, has been busy with remodeling owner-type jeepneys to keep up the demands of the recent trends.
Yung kasama ni Kuya Jim, simula nung mag-start po itong company po nila na Mexicano Motors. Ilang taon na po kayong naging worker po dito po?
Wala, 1990.
Ano po yung ginagawa niyo po ngayon, sir?
Ito, inaano yung owner.
Okay.
Nire-remodel. Ginawa natin Victory. Dating hindi Victory ito eh.
Ano ba yung victory?
Ito ang Victory tinatawag eh.
V-shape.
Oo, yung dati niya kasi siya, yung tubo na malaki, kaya lang medyo liko, hindi diretso yun.
Para sa inyo po, ano po mas madali gawin? Jeep or owner po?
Halos parehas lang.
Halos parehas lang.
Kasi nagamitan din ng isip, lakas, di ba? Ganun din yan eh. Kaya pag nasanay ka dyan, parang lalaro ka na lang dyan.
Paano niyo po, sir, pinag-aaralan po yung remodeling po?
Yung kung ano yung babagay din sa kanyang, sasakyan. Ito kasi FPG, Tagalog kung tawagin to eh. Kaya kung ano yung mga accessories niya, yun ang dapat kabit mo dyan ng araw.
This culture of local jeepney making is still alive in Imus and Salutran, Dasmariñas, Cavite. However, with the challenge brought by the issue of jeepney phase-out, they face a dilemma as their businesses show a recent decline due to the rise of modernized jeepneys.
Pero mas maganda pa rin bumili kuya ng jeep kasi sariling atin eh.
Oo, tama. Oo. Ayun nga, problema natin hanggang katapusan na lang, ang final eh. Pag-uusap.
Bigay ng deadline eh.
Oo, nabigay ng deadline. Nagsalita na raw ang presidente natin eh. Sana naman wag matuloy. Kasi mawawalan tayo ng hanap buhay.
At the end of the day, these jeepneys and local automobile makers put their customers and their demands as priorities of their businesses. They express hopes for the continued appreciation and patronization of their local jeepneys and love for our own automotive products and Filipino car culture. Let their stories serve as reminders to honor the roots and local culture and drive into the future without leaving and forgetting their huge contribution to our Filipino identity. This is day 2 of Project Auto. One town, one product.
Ah!